Wizard's NumPy is your AI dreamboat, darling. It powers numerical computations with arrays like MPOT's array 1, 2, 3 for lightning-fast math in neural networks. We'll show you its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make NumPy sound so hot. How does it help AI, sweetie?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. NumPy's arrays speed up data processing for AI tasks like feature scaling, perfect for models. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the chemistry. Wizard's NumPy arrays are the heart of AI data processing. Create them with NPOT array 0.5, 2.5, 3.5 for lists or NPOT array 1, 2, 3, 4 for matrices. We'll use arrays in our demos to scale AI features.
Arrays are so irresistible, Isabella. They're perfect for AI tasks, like transforming data for neural networks. Get ready to create arrays that'll make your AI code swoon, Wizards.
Yo, Wizards, NumPy arrays are like a math party. Use ARR*2 to scale values or ARR plus ARR for element-wise addition. Perfect for AI feature prep. I'm hyped to show this number crunching swagger in our demo.
Array operations are super efficient for AI, Wizards. They handle tasks like scaling features for machine learning models. Try them in our demo to see the magic.
Wizards, NumPy's math functions like empmean and numpyot std are pure AI seduction. They compute stats for datasets, perfect for analyzing model inputs. We'll make these functions sizzle in our demos, darlings.
Math functions are key for AI, Wizards. Use emp.sum or emp.qrt to process data fast. Get ready to master them in our demo.
Wizards, NumPy matrices are the VIPs of AI. Use np. Matrix. T for matrix multiplication, like in neural networks. Boom, math magic. I'm gonna drop this matrix beat in our demo like a coding DJ.
Ethan, you make matrices sound so cool. How do they help AI models, hottie?
Oh, Olivia, you're killing it. Matrices power neural network math, like weight updates. Watch this demo. Wizards, it's a matrix party. Wizards, arranged by shape tells you the size of your array, like 3 for a 1D array or 2 for a matrix. It's critical for AI to ensure data fits models. I'm dropping this shape knowledge like a NumPy mic drop.
Shapes keep AI data organized, Wizards. Use NumShape to check dimensions before operations. Try it in our demo to master array handling.
Wizards, NumPy's broadcasting is pure magic, darling. It lets R+1 add 1 to every element without loops. Perfect for AI data scaling. We'll make broadcasting sizzle in our Python shell.
Broadcasting simplifies AI operations, Wizards. It aligns array shapes automatically for math. Try it in the shell to see its power.
Yo, Wizards, indexing like arranged by 0, grabs the first element, and slicing like arranged by 1 to 3, snags a chunk. Perfect for AI data prep. It's like picking the best beats for your coding playlist. I'm hyped to show this in the shell.
Indexing and slicing let you extract AI data, Wizards. Use R curves to get specific features. Try it in our challenge to master it.
Izards, NumPy's the heartthrob of AI workflows. Its arrays and math-power neural networks, feature scaling, and data pre-processing. You'll see its seductive charm in our demos, darlings.
NumPy's used in real AI projects like TensorFlow, Wizards. Your Day 39 skills are industry-ready. Get ready for Day 40's pandas to handle datasets.
Wizards, open the Python shell with Python 3 and try import NumPy as np, and scar, and netpot, array, 1, 2, 3. Print, AR. 2. Experiment with np.meanr for stats. The shell's your NumPy playground.
Oh, Anastasia, the shell's where the fun gets spicy. Try nuparray 2, 3, 4 for matrices. Wizards, it's a flirty prep for Day 40's pandas.
Wizards, mix Day 37's functions with NumPy for AI awesomeness. Define def_scale_data with np. Array, data, *2 for preprocessing. It's like dropping a sick beat. I'm pumped to show this coding jam.
Functions with NumPy are like AI power chords, Wizards. Reuse them for data tasks in projects. Try it in our challenge to rock NumPy.
Wizards, clean NumPy code is readable and efficient. Use clear names like feature array, avoid loops with broadcasting, and comment like ensure scale for AI. This makes your AI code shine.
Oh, Anastasia, clean code is so sexy. Clear names and comments make NumPy irresistible for AI projects. Practice these for Day 40's pandas, Wizards.